Hi, I'm Michelle Samakis with the GIE Media Horticulture Group, and we're here at day 4 of the California Spring Trials at Cicada Seed America. And I'm standing with Heather Kibble, who is the Division Sales Manager for Cicada's homegrown line. Heather, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.
We are standing in front of the Think Pink tomato, which is new for Cicada this year, and as the name tells it all, it's a pink tomato. Can you tell us a little bit about it, Heather?
Sure. Think Pink is brand new this year. It's an indeterminate plant habit with a little bit larger than this usually because it's the winter. This is a little bit of a small fruit, but usually about an 8-ounce smooth-shouldered pink fruit. That's just the best tasting thing ever.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the flavor?
Yeah, we held taste trials, informal taste trials last summer out in the field, and where we tasted all the tomatoes we were growing that year, and this was definitely the winner.
What's the acidity like, the sweetness?
Yeah, it's a balance, very well balanced. There's a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of tomato flavor. Some people call that acid. It's very well balanced, so no matter which kind of tomato you like, everybody loves this one.
And what's the yield like on the plant?
It's very, very productive. Lots of yield. As you can see, it continues to bloom throughout the season, and you end up with just loads and loads of pink tomatoes by the end of the summer.
And about how tall does the plant get?
About 36 to 48 inches, depending on your conditions.
Anything else unusual that you wanted to share about Think Pink or what you're excited about?
I'm excited because you can use it as a slicer. It's great in salads. The color is unique, so it could be used with maybe a yellow and a red tomato in a tomato salad would be what I would do with it. And then just the productivity, that you end up with so many fruit, is the great thing about it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for telling us about it.
Thank you.
And for more videos from the GIE Media Horticulture Group, please visit our websites.